Hello students, this is our political science class of class 12th. Today I am going to start a new topic. The name of the topic is Politics of Plant Development. Now let's know first that what were the challenges of India after independence. As we have studied in the previous topics that there were main three challenges of India after independence. The first was nation building. Second was state reorganization. And the third was development. As we know that during the period of colonial era, there were many princely states, and we have studied that more than 562, we can say that approximately 562 princely states were there. And it was a big task to include all the princely states in the Union of India, that is in India, because there were many princely states which did not want to be included in India. They wanted to become an independent nation, and they were Junagadh, Hyderabad and Kashmir. We have studied in detail about all these states, and ultimately they had to join India. And the second challenge was state reorganization, because people belonging from different languages, they were demanding for the separate state for them. So this was also a big task, and for solving this conflict, the State Reorganization Commission was set up in 1953, and then states were organized on the basis of regional languages. Then the third most important challenge was development. After solving and resolving these two challenges, one was left, that was development. This was the most important challenge, because during the period of 1947 and before that also, we know that during the period of colonial era and colonial period, the economic and social condition of India decreased, and so many constructions were also done by the British, but still a lot was needed, because at that time India was lacking behind in the sphere of social also, political also and economic development. So this was very important, and so this was the challenge which had to be gained. So today we will study about the challenge of development. Now, for knowing and for studying the how the planning was done for the development, let's first know what do we mean by development. Development is a term which has been used in different meaning and in different sense by different sections of the society. Like in India, the government thinks that it was the development means socio economic development at that time. Socio-economic development with the reduction of poverty, inequality and unemployment. Poverty, inequality and unemployment. The reason behind that, these three were the most important issues which had to be solved. So this was the main aim the government after the independence of the country. So after this we should know that all the sections of the society don't have the same view of the development. For example, let's take a case study of Orissa, which has been given in the first page of this topic in the NCERT book, that Orissa is having a big source of iron ore. We know that iron ore is a raw material for the steel plants. So the government of Orissa signed memorandum of understanding with the national and international steel markets so that investment could come in the Orissa and the problem of unemployment will be solved, because if their industries are established, then the people will get chance for employment, and then this will also reduce the poverty level. So here we can see that the Orissa government thinks that for the meaning of development, as we are considering that development means the coming and establishment of industries in the Orissa. These iron ores are mostly found in the undeveloped areas or in the tribal areas in Orissa. The result is that the people belonging from the tribal areas, they think that this will snatch their livelihood. So they think that this is against their interest. And then next we can talk about the environmentalists. They think that if the mining will be there, if the industries will be there, then certainly there will be the loss of pollution, there will be loss of environment and pollution will be created. So according to the environmentalists, this is not good, and according to the tribal people of Orissa, where the iron ore mines are found, they are also not in favor. So we can see that development for the different section of the society is different, interest of every section of the society is different. We cannot generalize anything to all, and we cannot impose a thing to all the sections of the society or to all the people. And then we can follow that the idea of development. Now just see idea of development. When we are going to see the ideas of development, that is also different, because some people, some thinkers and politicians, they think that development means to adopt westernization or to be modern just like Western countries. So for them, development means to be modern. How? To be modern just like Western countries. No, just like Western countries. Now we can see that the meaning of different interest of development is different, and interest of all the sections are different, meaning is also different, ideas are also different. Now that's all for today, children. Now we will see the next topic in some next lecture.